Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are also doing well. So today I will be unboxing for you my new watch that I bought from Ajio.com. The watch I'm going to show you is so satisfying because it's so classy, it's so smart plus affordable. I have been looking for this watch for a long time and couldn't get it because it's so expensive. But finally today I got it in a sale for the best discounted price. So yeah, let's get started without wasting any time. So this is how the packaging actually looks like. I have already opened it as soon as I have received because I was so excited to check it. And yeah, that's how the packaging is. It's just placed inside this plastic bag. And here's the bill paper. So this is the box of my watch in gray color. It's a western style analog watch. The actual MRP was rupees 3195, but I bought it for 80% discount of 639 rupees, which is very reasonable for this kind of watch. Also, you can check out all the details and information of the brand and the model. Everything is mentioned here above. So the brand also has got their social media account on facebook.com, the Adamo watch. And here it is mentioned that it has got a warranty period for 1 year and the battery warranty is for 6 months. You can also read more information if you want. And also another thing is this Adamo watch is a water resistant. That means you don't need to worry if it mistakenly falls into the water, but should be careful with that because it's not 100% sure. Also given here, you can also check the watches from their official website adamo.in. They are also available on Instagram too. So finally, let's open it. So here is our beautiful shining in gold watch. It's properly packed in a cute box. Also has a foam for protection from damage. Now let me show you the overview of it. As you can clearly see here, it is so classy. It's in golden color and at the back is in silver color the battery. I really love the design of the watch. I can highly recommend you if you are interested on this. So guys, as you can see here, it's a bit loose on my hand for right now. I think I have to tighten it later. So if you also like this watch, do let me know in the comment section below. It goes with all kinds of skin tone and every kind of outfit, whether it is western wear or traditional wear. Alright guys, so this was my small unboxing and review of my new watch. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button because I always come up with this kind of similar videos. So till then, thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.